Hi, let's talk about something little more enjoyable today. Music. And you may think, what does music have to do with anything that we have been talking about for the past few days? Well, they say language is the magic mirror that reflects to the mind what it thinks. And music is the wallpaper of your brain. Let that settle in for a moment there. So I have been singing Country Roads for the past few minutes to get me into the mood for this video. And it's quite the experience, I'd say. It has sort of freed up my mind of this constant bombardment of anxious thoughts about what to say next. Well, there are no two people in the world who have listened to the same two sets of songs. And that is definitely telling you something. So no two people have ever had the same set of experiences, even if they were in the same proximity throughout their life. Like even twins, for example. No two people will have 100% of their experiences the same. And therefore, the same property is transferable to the music that one has listened to. And the music you listen to is definitely telling you something about yourself. Whenever I listen to this song, Country Roads, I just get this chill in my mind. And in my chest. And there is this chilling feeling that comes and goes on the back of your neck. And I'm sure you might have at least listened to a song that has resonated with you in such a manner. Well, it is not just one song, so all people or each person has their own set of songs that they listen to on a regular basis. And with time, your playlist or your most active playlist might have changed. What it was, say, 8 years back might not be the same as it is today. And your playlist from 8 years back, if you listen to it today, will surely tell you about a lot of things about yourself that you missed because you were younger. Music is one of the best therapy that you, though it takes effort, it is one of the best therapeutic way in which you can revisit some of the past experiences that might have caused you some kind of trauma or the other. And you have to be extremely aware of what this particular song is trying to tell you. Especially if it's one of the more aggressive song in nature that expresses things like violence, sex, drugs. These songs are definitely telling you something. And I'm not saying that you are involved in these particular activities and that is why this song resonates with you. The song resonates with you at a more deeper level because of some kind of resentment built into you. It is the shadow that is kind of trying to communicate with you. And the songs we like, why do we even like songs? Nobody knows why we like music. We just like it. It's just something we enjoy and resonate with at some level. I'd say it's very subconscious in nature. Now you have to carefully listen to this song and relate to the experience that you attach the song to. What significance does this song have in your life? Or what was that experience that this particular song reminds you of? And you must pick on this experience and try to take it apart. And one of the best ways to take this experience apart is by writing, which, well, I have mentioned before if you have been through one of my previous videos. And by taking this experience apart, you can get new insight into yourself. And in a way, you can, or at least it helps you free your mind and get over a certain mental block that you might have been having that is preventing you from being more social, let's say. Doesn't have to be just social. Something is preventing you to take a certain action in a particular direction. Now, I find it that it is not just enough to go through this old software, but it is also necessary to rewrite it with a newer one. Something that can help you process the previous information much better. And one of the best you could find is Pink Floyd. The music of Pink Floyd has been relevant for a really, really long time. And there is a reason, and there are a lot of people who have been listening to them through a long period of time. And the reason is that their songs are not just real, they are meta-real. They don't just provide ideas, they give meta-ideas. They deliver not just an experience, they deliver a meta-experience. The meaning a particular song that holds for one person would be relatively different to what it means to someone else. Well, these songs do make you think about a lot of things. And their impact can be very positive. So, therapy or psychological therapy through the use of music. It can't get better than this. Done.